The 2024 Porsche Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid Coupe with GT package is a marvel of automotive engineering and design, setting new standards for luxury SUVs. Introduced by Porsche as their most potent Cayenne model yet, this vehicle replaces the previous turbo variant and comes in both SUV and coupe body styles. At its heart is a twin-turbocharged 4-liter V8 engine that churns out 591 horsepower, coupled with a 174 horsepower electric motor. The combined system output is an astonishing 729 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain enables the Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds and reach a top speed of 183 miles per hour. The vehicle features a larger 25.9 kilowatt-hour battery pack, strategically placed under the cargo area. Porsche has also introduced a new 11-kilowatt onboard charger that can reduce the battery's charging time to under 2.5 hours. While the automaker hasn't disclosed the electric range yet, they have indicated that other improvements have been made to extend it. The ride quality is managed by an adaptive air suspension system, standard on this high-performance SUV. This system employs two-chamber, two-valve technology that allows for both compression and rebound adjustability, thereby widening the gap between its comfort and Sport Plus settings. Aesthetically, the Turbo E-Hybrid distinguishes itself with a unique front fascia featuring larger air intakes. The wheel arches and lower rear fascia are painted in the body color, and red brake calipers along with two dual exhaust outlets complete the exterior visual upgrades. The SUV also comes standard with HD Matrix design LED headlights. Inside, the vehicle boasts a Racetex headliner, a heated GT Sport steering wheel, aluminum door and dash trim, and 18-way adjustable leather sport seats. 14-way adjustable comfort seats are also available as an option. In terms of technology, the SUV is equipped with a new 15-watt air-conditioned wireless charging pad. It also inherits the same improvements as the rest of the updated 2024 Cayenne lineup, including an updated dashboard featuring a 12.6-inch curved driver's display and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen. As for availability, the Turbo E-Hybrid is open for orders and will start reaching dealers in the second quarter of 2024. The starting price is set at $148,550, which includes a $1,650 destination charge. The coupe variant is slightly more expensive, starting at $153,050. Despite its high-performance capabilities and luxurious features, the Turbo E-Hybrid is more affordable than the $197,950 Cayenne Coupe Turbo GT, which offers 650 horsepower. Overall, the 2024 Porsche Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid Coupe with GT package is a groundbreaking vehicle that combines unparalleled performance, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious comfort, setting a new benchmark in the automotive industry. The 2024 Porsche Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid Coupe with GT package also offers an array of advanced driving assistance systems. Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus comes standard, enhancing the vehicle's agility and stability during high-speed cornering. For those looking for even more dynamic handling, Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control and Rear Axle Steering are available as optional features. These systems work in tandem to provide a driving experience that is both exhilarating and secure, making the SUV highly versatile whether you're on a racetrack or a family road trip. When it comes to customization, Porsche offers a variety of options to make the Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid truly your own. From a selection of premium materials and finishes for the interior to a range of wheel designs and exterior colors, the possibilities are almost endless. This level of customization allows owners to create a vehicle that not only meets but exceeds their personal preferences and lifestyle needs. It's this attention to detail and customer-centric approach that sets Porsche apart in the luxury automotive market. In terms of connectivity and infotainment, the Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid is as modern as they come. The 12.3-inch infotainment screen offers a user-friendly interface, complete with voice control and smartphone integration. Whether you're navigating through city streets or enjoying your favorite playlist, the system ensures that all your needs are just a touch or a voice command away. Additionally, the curved 12.6-inch driver's display provides all the essential information you need while driving, from navigation directions to real-time performance data. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.